Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
So hello my dear students, good morning once again. Dear student of class 9th, today we will study a poem that name is Rain on the Roof, that is in your behind book. Dear student, Rain on the Roof. The name of the poem is indicating that it is describing about the rain and the rain on the roof. The patter of rain, the sound of rain is a feel on the roof, and in that duration what the imagination comes in our mind, that is described here. Dear student, before telling the poem, explaining the poem, I want to ask a question. Have you ever felt the patter of the rain, the sound of the raindrop, tap, 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 and you are sitting in a alone place, listening the sound of the rain? If never happened to you, or you never pay attention, so try to listen it whenever you are getting chance in the rainy season. So let us come to the poem and try to find out what the poet want to say. Dear students, the poem is in 3 paragraphs. I just written on the blackboard, though you can open your book to read also. And the poet says, when the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres, and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in the rainy tears, what a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber's bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. So this poem, this paragraph is describing by the poet that what a bliss, what a blessing moment that is to press the pillow, okay? To press the pillow of the cottage chamber bed. Means what a blessing moment this is when it is raining and you are sleeping and there is a pillow behind your head and the atmosphere is fully peacefully and you are listening the patter. Patter means the sound of the rain, and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. Soft rain. You know, when the rain comes, a soft sound cover up the area where we are sitting, sleeping, and poet want to listen that soft sound, and the poet is telling here, this is really a blessing moment to us when it is raining and when we are lying and listening the patter of the rain. Once again I am explaining the paragraph. Dear student, poet is saying when the humid means moisture, when the humid shadows hover, moisture, when the moisture cover up the sky over all the starry spheres. Starry means the stars, spheres. When the moisture covered the sky and the melancholy darkness. What is meaning by melancholy here? The sad moment. Generally, you can feel when it is about to rain and the black clouds are in the sky, the atmosphere at that moment just become like a melancholy, the dark moment. So that thing is described here by the poet, and the melancholy darkness gently weeps. Weeps means to cry up. Gently means softly. Gently weeps in the rainy tears. What a bliss to press the pillow, though that is the melancholy tears described, but for us, this is a blessing to just lie and listening the music of the sound, the music of the rain, the patter of the rain, the sound of the rain. This is described in the first paragraph. Okay, let us come to the second paragraph. Poet is saying, every tinkle on the shingles. Every tinkles means the light sound, the soft sound of the rain on the shingles. Shingles means the tiles, the wooden tiles in the rectangular way, has an echo in the heart. The soft sound, echo, we can feel in our heart. Means when it is raining, so my dear student, poet is imagine here, you can also imagine, poet want to say, when it is raining, so the soft sound of the rain we can feel in our heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies means imagination. I hope you also feel when it is rainy season, or when the wind flow, or when the clouds are in the sky, so we start to feel something different. We start to think about our past or about our future. We start to think to play. We start to think to laugh, to talk, to sing a song. What are these things? These are the fancies. Imagination. So the poet is saying here that 1,000 dreamy fancies, dream the thousands dreamy fancies into busy being start. Means I am once again describing you the whole scenario what the poet want to represent us, my dear student. Poet is here imagine that suppose it is raining, and when the rains come, then there is a change into our heart, and the heart start thinking the thousands of the fancy dreams, either of the past or of the future. We start to singing a song, we start to talking to somebody else, we start to enjoying, laughing. So these kind of changes come at that moment when we are lying, listening the sound of the rain. Let us come back. And 1,000 recollection. Recollection, what is meaning? Recollection means the past memories. 1,000 recollections wave their air threads into woof. This is very important line. Wave their air threads into woofs means in our life, whatever the past moment that is unforgotten, that is recollection, just come to us, just come to our eyes, and we start to dreaming, we start to planning something, we start to enjoying by thinking about the past recollection, by the past memories. Okay, as I listen to the patter means the sound of the rain. As I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. So poet is here thinking that when he is listening the patter of the rain upon the roof, he is planning, he is thinking, he is either in the past or in the future. He is enjoying the moment, he is having the recollection of the memories, he is having thousands of the dreams that is in the poet's mind. Okay, so let us come to know which kind of recollection is in the mind of the poet. About whom he is thinking, about his family members, about his friends, about his relatives, about anybody else. What the poet is thinking, that is very important to us to know. So the poet has told this thing in the next paragraph. Let us come read and find out. Okay, so here poet is telling, now in the memory comes my mother. Okay, might be you are imagining that poet is thinking about his friends. But no, poet is listening the sound of the rain. But in that moment, the recollection, the memory that is coming in the mind of the poet is not a friend, is poet's mother. Poet is thinking about his mother. Listen. Now in memory comes my mother, as she used in years agone. It means his mother is not alive. Poet is saying, as she used in years agone, means the recollection before few years when poet was with his mother. So poet is now missing out those days that he spent with his mother. Okay, as she used in years agone to regard the darling dreamers, and the poet want to give his regard, his respect to his darling dreamers. Darling dreamers means, darling means very near and dear, very close, very lovely. Who was very near and dear? Who was very close and very lovely to writer, to the poet? That was none other than his mother. So poet want to give his regard to his darling mother. Ere she left them till the dawn, oh, I feel her fond look on me as I listen to this refrain. Means poet is telling us, oh, whenever I am listening the music, whenever I am listening the sound of the rain, the patter of the rain, I just imagine to my mother and the days I spend with her, the moment I spend with her, I imagine now. As I listen to this refrain, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. Means this rain is a very important part in my life, because this is the recollection of the memory, my past that was with my mother. So my dear student, this is the poem described. Poet is just missing out his mother. Poet is right now just enjoying, lying, listening the music of the rain, the sound of the rain, the patter of the rain, and by this way, this description, the emotional descriptions, the poem got over. So dear student, read the poem again and again. Try to find out the question's answer. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Do self-study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.